Yeah. Rolling, bibidyo ka din ba? Ay, Mal. Yan.
It's like a dream I dream, build a path for you, oh my, oh oh, la 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 la, bright moonlight, only one that I take from starlight, night, singing far into night, and it's gonna be a sleepless night.
I'm still trying to get a hold of mine. It's not easy since 16 times.
Trauma ako. Hindi na mauulit yun. Hindi matang o wag na. Ha? Oo, ano? Casper, ang nating sasakyan ngayong araw. Merong gas-gas na agad.
Driving in Seoul! We're going to Suwon!
Pupunta mo, hindi mo sila nagkatuluyan eh.
Daddy, pagod na ako.
Intro lang, andyan lang tayo. Pasok na. Mahiwagang Casper. Si Casper na pang malakasan. 500 kilometers siya, boy. Napanood ko na to. Sa Korea din yun eh. Ganyan din yung bundok nun eh. Dito naman, itubig naman tayo dito, di ba? Yeah.
It's like a dream I dream, build a path for you, oh my, oh oh, la 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 la, bright moonlight, only one that I take from starlight, night, singing far into night, and it's gonna be a sleepless night.
Wow. Paano pag tumakbo ako, Mal? No. Tapos iniwan kita dito. Happy, wow.
We rode our bikes down broken streets. We chased the sun, chased the sun. The day was great, we made it shine. And you were mine, you were mine. The world outside can fall apart. I don't care, as long as I can have your heart. 'Cause you have mine, you have mine. Don't forget what's beneath the concrete. There's a wonderful world.
So, sa anong lugar to? Powang. Ito yung part ng Korea na medyo walang tao. Laid back. 4 hours drive siya from Seoul to Powang. Pag gusto nyo ng peaceful within the driving distance, Powang. Alam mo bakit? Yung tapat nyo, dagat. Pwede kayong mag-grill sa labas, Airbnb. At nandito yung shooting location ng hometown Cha-Cha-Cha.
It's like a dream, I dream, beat a path for you, oh my, oh oh, la 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 la, bright moonlight, only one that I take from starlight, night, singing for me tonight, and it's gonna be a sleepless night.
Bebe. Bigat ang own pool. May sariling swimming pool, boy. Second floor is yung kusina. Ito may CR, kitchen, dining. Favorite part, ihawan. And nilagyan nila ng tent kasi medyo maulan. Charcoal. May sala tayo dyan. Chill, shot mamaya. TV. Room. I like the room. Sakto lang yung bed. Yung ilog-ilog dyan, oh. Pag gusto mong pumunta ng Nami Island, kailangan mo mag-zipline daw. Okay.
Second round.
김치 주세요.
This is Bagoong. This is Camp Lining.
저희 지금부터 바로 방송 시작하도록 하겠고요. 방송을 시간당에서 한 번만. 네, 오늘도 저희 강남을 일반 분들 좀 감사드리고요.
Ang maskulado ng mga pusa nila dito, guys.
Medyo scary ka lang. Because you're so big.
Ang laki niya. Uy. So today, nasa Nami Island tayo ngayon. Kapon, nasa Pohang kami. Pohang, South Korea. Ang Airbnb doon, ang tapat namin is beach. Then, parang fishing port siya. Ang ganda tuwing umaga, ang tahimik tuwing gabi. Ngayon, dito sa Nami Island, ang Airbnb, ang scenery naman dito is parang lake or river or something. Basta ang ganda. So by the way, ang trip na to ay birthday week ni Mrs. So, the objective is to libot the whole South Korea. And hindi masunog yung samgyup.
Sarap ng pork. Sarap talaga yung pork nila.
Okay na. Naka-freezer pa yun. Brain freeze yung labas mo niya.
The name because it's a really, really Korean sounding name. To wait in line for so long because, as you all know, I'm very pregnant and waiting and standing.
Daddy, how to do this?
You need knife. Huwag mong ganun. Sumakasya. Need.
Less touristy because we are really tourists here. All over the locals.
Amazing.
Hey, Daddy. Thank you.
Birthday girl.
He is grilling my favorites.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. And blow na blow. Ay, wish pala muna. Wish muna. Wish muna. Isa pa. Ganda. Happy birthday, baby.
I love you.
I love you, baby. Mwah. Tingnan mo nga. Binagabang yan. Guys, ako beer lang ko yan. Beer lang ako. Kasi hindi ko kaya yung mga inumin nila. Bakit kakaiba? Kay misis ko, tingnan mo. May power pa. Ay, isa. Ate, beer lang ko yan. Thank you.
때도 내가 운동 많이